Hello students, how are you? The students of class 7, Kumula Modern High School. How are you? I am Aminul 72, English teacher of morning shift of Kumula Modern High School. Last class I discussed on degree. Today I want to discuss comparison of degree and transformation of degree. Transformation of degree. Degree. Class 7 subject English second paper. Second paper. Transformation of degree. Transformation of degree. Transformation of degree. Degree. There are three kinds of degree: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Today we want to discuss for positive degree to comparative degree. Positive degree. Positive degree to comparative degree. Positive degree যে সকল ওয়ার্ড দ্বারা নাউন প্রণয়ের দুষ গুণ প্রকাশ করে, দুষ গুণ সাধারণভাবে দুষ গুণ অবস্থা সংখ্যা পরিমাণ প্রকাশ করে সেগুলোকে পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি বলা হয়। কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি which degree are compared between two things, two subjects, two men, between two nouns. This degree called comparative degree. Positive to comparative, positive degree to comparative degree. No other যুক্ত positive degree comparative degree পরিবর্তনীয়। Number first, no other যুক্ত पॉजिटिव डिग्री के कॉम्पिटिटिव डिग्री ते कॉम्पिटिटिव डिग्री ते परिवर्तन नियम। हाउ वी विल चेंज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री टू कॉम्पिटिटिव डिग्री। नो अदर युक्त पॉजिटिव डिग्री कॉम्पिटिटिव डिग्री परिवर्तन नियम। प्रथमे प्रदत्त सेंटेंसेर साबजेक्ट। प्रथमे प्रदत्त सेंटेंस एर सब्जेक्ट प्लस ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब ऑक्सिलरी भार्ब प्लस पॉजिटिव डिग्री कॉम्पिटिटिव प्लस पॉजिटिव डिग्री एर comparative degree plus then any other plus no other পর থেকে ভার্ব পর্যন্ত plus no other এর পর থেকে ভার্বের পূর্ব পর্যন্ত যেমন পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি নো আদার বয় ইন দ্য ক্লাস ইজ as tall as Kamal. No other boy in the class in the class no other boy in the class is as tall as Kamal. Comparative degree which word is subject of this sentence? Kamal. Very good. Kamal. Kamal. Auxiliary verb is. Auxiliary verb is. Kamal is tall. What is the comparative degree of tall? Taller. Thank you. Nice. Taller. Kamal is taller. Kamal is taller than any other boy. Kamal is taller than any other boy. Kamal is taller than any other. No other পর থেকে ভার্বের পর্যন্ত. No other পর থেকে ভার্বের পূর্বপর্যন্ত. ভার্বের পূর্বপর্যন্ত. Kamal is taller than any other boy in the class. Kamal is taller than any other boy in the class. No other man in the village is. No other man in the village is as old as Mr. Jamal. No other man in the village is as old as Mr. Jamal. Dear students, which word is subject of this sentence? Mr. Jamal. No other man in the village is as old as Mr. Jamal. Which word is subject of this sentence? Mr. Jamal. Thank you, Mr. Jamal. Comparative degree. Mr. Jamal is. Which word is auxiliary verb in this sentence? Is. Thank you. Is. Thank you. Is. Mr. Jamal is old. What is the comparative degree of old? Older, because it is monosyllable. You will add er. Which adjectives are monosyllable? You will add only er. And you will add est in the superlative degree. In the superlative degrees. Old, older. Mr. Jamal is older. Mr. Jamal is older than any other man. Than any other man. No other পর থেকে man in the village. No other পর থেকে ভার্বের পূর্বনিহিত man in the village. No other. Mr. Jamal is older than any other man in the village. V-I-L-L-A, the village. Third example. No other metal, M-A-T-L, metal. No other metal, M-E-T-L. No other metal is as useful as iron. No other metal is as useful as iron. What is the comparative degree of this sentence? Dear students? Look at the board and listen to me. No other metal is as useful as iron. Which word is subject of this sentence? Iron. Thank you. Excellent. Comparative degree. Iron. Auxiliary verb. No other metal is. Auxiliary verb is. No other metal is as useful as iron. Iron is. What is the comparative degree of useful? More useful, because it is D-syllable. Useful. This is D-syllable. So you will add more in the comparative degree, and you will add in the superlative degree most. So you will add comparative degree as the comparative degree more useful. Iron is more useful. More useful than no other পর থেকে ভার্বের পূর্বনিহিত হলো metal. Iron is more useful than any other metal. M-E-T-L, metal. Dear students, next rule. প্রদত্ত সেন্টেন্সটি দ্বারা নাউন বা প্রনাউনের দোষ, গুণ, অবস্থা, পরিমাণ প্রকাশ করলে পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি টু কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রিতে পরিবর্তন। How will change the positive degree to comparative degree? প্রথমে পজিটিভ ডিগ্রির সাবজেক্ট। প্রথমে পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি এর সাবজেক্ট প্লাস অক্সিলারি ভার্ব প্লাস পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি এর কম্পারেটিভ ফর্ম প্লাস পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি এর comparative form plus common noun. Comparative form then any other. Positive comparative form then another plus common noun. Then any other plus common noun. যেমন Kamal is a good boy. Shimul is a good boy. Shimul is a good boy. Shimul is a good boy. Which word is subject of this sentence? Shimul. Shimul is a subject of this sentence. Shimul, comparative. Shimul, auxiliary verb. Which word is auxiliary verb? Is. Shimul is good. Which is comparative degree of good? Better. Good. Shimul is better than any other common noun. Which word is common noun of the sentence? Boy. Shimul is better than any other boy. Very good. Dear students, Shipa is a short girl in the class. Shipa is a short girl in the class. Shipa is a short girl in the class. Comparative degree. Dear students, look at the board. Shipa is a short girl in the class. Subject. Which word is subject of this sentence? Shipa. Very good. Shipa is shorter. Which is comparative degree of short? Shorter. Shipa is shorter than than, Shipa is shorter than any other, Shipa is shorter than any other girl in the, Shipa is shorter than, Shipa is shorter, Shipa is shorter than any other girl, any other girl in the class. Shipa is shorter than, Shipa is shorter than any other girl in the class. Shipa is shorter than any other girl in the class. Dear students, next rule. Next rule, as যুক্ত positive degree to comparative degree, comparative degree. as এবং as যুক্ত পজিটিভ ডিগ্রিকে কম্পারেটিভ, as এবং as যুক্ত পজিটিভ ডিগ্রিকে কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি। পজিটিভ ডিগ্রির সাবজেক্ট প্রদত্ত পজিটিভ ডিগ্রির সাবজেক্ট, প্রদত্ত পজিটিভ ডিগ্রির শেষে সাবজেক্ট প্লাস প্রদত্ত পজিটিভ ডিগ্রি এর শেষের সাবজেক্ট প্লাস অক্সিলারি ভার্ব প্লাস নট, যদি সেন্টেন্সটি অ্যাফার্মেটিভ হয়, যদি সেন্টেন্সটি অ্যাফার্মেটিভ হয়। কিন্তু সেন্টেন্সটি নেগেটিভ হলে নট বসবে না। কিন্তু সেন্টেন্সটি নেগেটিভ হলে নট বসবে না। Plus positive comparative from, plus positive degree and comparative from, comparative form plus verb plus positive degree comparative from plus then প্লাস প্রদত্ত সেন্টেন্সের প্রথম সাবজেক্ট, প্লাস প্রদত্ত সেন্টেন্সের প্রথম সাবজেক্ট। যেমন, dear students, look at the board and listen to me. Positive degree, Mamun is as tall as a palm tree. Palm tree means talgas. Palm tree means talgas. palm tree. Mamun is as tall as a palm tree. The last subject of the sentence. Which subject is last subject? Which word is last subject of the sentence? A palm tree. This is affirmative sentence. Comparative degree. A palm tree is comparative. A palm tree is not taller. Not. You will add not. You will set up not because it is affirmative sentence. A palm tree is not taller. T-A-double-L. Here, a palm tree is not taller than Mamun. This is first subject of this sentence. Mamun is taller than. A palm tree is not taller than Mamun. A palm tree is not taller than Mamun. A palm tree is not taller than Mammon. Positive degree. Muna is not tall. Muna is not tall than. Dear students, Muna is not clever. Muna is not clever as Tina. Muna is not clever as Tina. Dear students, Muna is not clever as Tina. Muna is not clever as Tina. Muna is not clever as Tina. Last subject, which noun is last subject of the sentence? Tina. Very good. This is negative sentence. Comparatively. Tina is cleverer. Cleverer. Tina is cleverer than. Tina, an auxiliary verb. Cleverer. Comparative degree. This is comparative degree. Cleverer, or more clever. Clever or cleverer, cleverer, or more clever, or more clever. Or more clever. Tina is more clever than Muna. So this is D syllable. Dear students, this is D syllable. So you will practice these examples more and more. Then you will be skilled in changing sentence or transformation of degree. You will write 2 pages. You will write 2 pages. SW. Positive to competitive. Positive to competitive degree. 2 pages example, 3 pages example, or 2 pages example. Transformation of sentence. Dear students, you will write 2 pages of examples, positive degree to comparative degree. That means transformation of degree. Positive to comparative degree. You will write 2 pages examples. So you will show your homework to your parents. That means father or mother. You should to read regularly and attentively. You will participate 3rd online exam on 1st November in 2020. So you will read regularly and attentively, and you will enjoy the online classes of various subjects. Then you will do a good result. Then you will do good result in the next exams. So thank you. See you next time.